एवरीवन, मी तुमची मराठी मुलगी राजलक्ष्मी गोने and I welcome you guys to my channel. So today's video is gonna be most exciting video. So it is all about recreating two looks. I'm gonna recreate two Bollywood celeb looks, and that is this and this. So the first one which I'm gonna recreate is Priyanka Chopra's, and that's gonna take quite a long time. So first I'm gonna recreate that, and as I'm done with that, I'm gonna go for the other one. So let's see how it goes, and I have no idea how it's gonna turn out. So y'all are gonna see through it, and please do not skip anything and watch it throughout. And also I don't know if I'm gonna take behind the scene of shooting, because I'm gonna shoot with the phone, so that is the reason I might not show the behind the scene shoot. But आपको तो पता ही है कि मैं शूट कैसे करती हूँ, तो that is how I'm gonna do this also. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video, and let's see how does it turn up. But before that, I'm just gonna show you how I'm gonna do my makeup, and makeup will be in fast forward moment because I don't want to waste time in makeup, because y'all know how to do the makeup by now, and I have created 2-3 looks of my makeup in my previous video. If y'all haven't watched it, so please go and give it a watch. So yeah, and the link's gonna be in the description, so y'all can see there. And also I got comment that y'all want to see my nude makeup look, so that will come really very soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'm going to recreate that as well. So yeah, and now let's go and do my makeup. So my mirror is here, I might look here, so don't mind it. I'm going to show you what products I'm going to use today, and yes, so let's begin with the So my makeup is done, and this is what it is. So I've done a very basic makeup. Also my eyeshadow, I'm loving my eyeshadow today. So yeah, this is the look for the first outfit, and now let's go and see what I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna use this dupatta as a skirt, and I'm just gonna tie it up, and let's see how does it turn. This is full white with some golden flowers, and also I have this one crop top. Okay, this is the white crop top, so I'm going to turn this into a blouse. So let's see how does it gonna work. And this is the full sleeves. Also I'm going to make it half, because उस photo में half sleeves है उसके. So this is something like this. So I'm going to turn this crop top in a blouse, and let's see how it's going to turn, and I'll get ready and come back to you. So this is how my outfit is looking right now. So I've tied it here like this. I don't know how this has turned right now. So okay, here you can see the full outfit. Something like this. And my hair. So let's start with the shoot now. I don't know how shoot is gonna turn, so let's see. So I'm done with my first look, you guys. So now let's go for the second look, that is Deepika Padukone, and I'm so excited for this one because I love her. She is my favorite female actress and she's just the best one. Let's see how I recreate her look and how does it turn out. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my makeup. So before makeup I'm thinking to do my hair. So उसने तो उसके बाल ऊपर बांधे हैं, so I'm gonna do the same way, kind of same. So let's see how it turns up. So this everything, makeup and hair, gonna be in the fast forward moment, so please do not get bored. So this is what the look is, and now I'm gonna go and wear the outfit because it's a portrait. So I'm just gonna wear a top, a crop top again, and a dupatta. I don't have the same sari like Deepika is wearing, so I thought I had something similar like that dupatta. So I thought, why not use dupatta, right? So jugaad काम आता है every time. So I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna show you how my half outfit gonna look like. So let's see, and then let's go and do a shoot. I don't think so for this also I might not show y'all the BTS behind the camera, behind the shoot. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys or not because I might take phone also for the shoot. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. And now I'll just wear my half outfit and come back to you. So I'm wearing something like this. I'm wearing this top and black top because उसने black ही पहना है. So and I'm taking this like this, the dupatta halfway. And now I forgot to put a bindi because she has a good bindi on her forehead. So let's see. उसने बिंदी बहुत बड़ी लगाई है पर हम छोटी लगाएंगे. हम तो छोटी सी लगाएंगे बिंदी. And now I'm just wear my earrings and then good to go for the shoot. And I'm going to come back after the shoot and I'm going to show you the pictures how it has turned. So I'm done with my shoot, you guys, and it was fun shooting it. And it is so difficult to match their same poses because it's really difficult because आपका पैर, आपका your face and everything, it should be so proper. But I managed somehow, and that is not at all perfectly, but I tried my best. So I guess I'm happy with it. So now let's check the pictures and let's see how it is turned out. was a good try, and you should try everything. So that is the reason I tried this out, and many of them were doing recreating Bollywood celebs. So I thought why not, let's give it a try. अगर हमारे पास कपड़े नहीं है तो क्या हुआ, हम जुगाड़ तो कर सकते हैं. So that's how I did it, and y'all saw the video. I'm really sorry I couldn't post how I did the shoot because I was shooting with the phone also, and I wanted to see the poses, so I just have one phone right now with me. So that is the reason I couldn't show you guys how I did my shoot, but you all know how I do my shoot, and that's how I did it by myself. And yeah, so that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you all in the next video. Till then, be safe, be home, be happy. Bye bye.